Okay, in my previous video we talked about how to balance redox reactions in acidic solutions. That's necessary to know in order to do it in basic solutions. So the steps that follow to do it in a basic solution, first things first, balance the entire reaction following the steps for an acidic solution. Once you have your acidic solution answer, you're going to add a couple more steps. Okay, so in basic solutions, you're going to follow all the steps for getting an acidic solution answer. Once you have it balanced and acidic, what you're going to do is take a look and find how many H pluses you have in your acidic solution answer. You're going to add OH minus to both sides of the equation, one for each H plus present in your acidic solution. Once you have that done, you're going to combine the H plus and the OH minuses to make water and then cancel out any like terms. Okay, so obviously this doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Let's look at an example. This is our answer from the previous video. Okay, if you notice, we have an acidic balance redox problem. We have two H pluses floating around here. That tells me we have an acidic environment. So if we solve this instead in a basic environment, let's follow those steps. So again, the first thing we want to do is add OH minus to both sides for every H plus that we have. So if you notice, we've got two H pluses in our answer, so I'm going to add two OH minuses to both sides. Okay, now that I've done that, if you guys look, we know what happens when OH minus meets an H plus. They come together to form water. So this guy is going to find this guy, and when that happens, they're going to combine to form two H2Os. Okay? Now if you notice, we have now created some water on this side of the equation. However, over here we have a water. So we're going to combine those like terms. I'm going to cross this guy out and subtract it from this side. And we're going to have one water left over. Okay? Now we've got our final solution for the basic. We can write down everything that's left. So, writing everything that's left, I have 3CN minus, and our H2O that we just made, this guy right here, H2O, and then we crossed out these, so they're gone. Remember, they went into making the water. So now we've got that left over, 2MnO4 minus, 3CnO minus, 2Mn, oop. And we have our two OH minuses hanging out on the end now. Okay, so that is going to be your final answer in a basic environment. Again, we know this is going to be basic because if we look, we have OH minuses hanging out now instead of H pluses, so that does make it a basic environment. Okay.